In this video, I will tell you how to develop a calculator application in the Python. This application is shown over here using tkinter and GUI tool. First line, that is the import tkinter. Next line is the size of the font that is used in this application. Next, we initiate an object of tkinter, set its size of the window and its title. When we run this application, you can see a nice looking window calculator. Next, we add a text field and the button frame. When we run this, you can see the text and the button frame are added on the window. Now we add the two more buttons, the back button and the clear button. The text is shown over here. You can see button back, button, and then button frame, its font and other properties. When we run this after adding these two buttons, you can see the window over here. Now we add 16 more buttons. For this we use a list and the nested for loops to add 16 more buttons. You can see over here. When we run this application after adding this, we have the output like this. Next remaining is only the functionality, add functionality to these buttons. For this purpose, we bind all these buttons with the button click function. Previously we add the button back and the button clear bind with the button click function. Now we bind all the other 16 buttons, bind the other 16 buttons with the button click functions using this command over here. When we run this application, you can see all the button application is running. Title